What's up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Let's see, pre-market live stream. What's up? What's up? There we go. Good morning, fam. See, don't show again. Go live. We good. Boom. Yeah, you guys like that? Good. Good. What are we at? We're at 86.7K. We're going to hit that 100K by the end of the year. That's the goal. All you guys got to do is make sure that you engage with the videos. That would be a huge help. I do appreciate all your support, though, especially the ones that have been here for a while. Let's hit that 100K, baby. But what's up? Good morning, everybody. Richard, Christine, Gerald, Alex, Lance, Eduardo, Green Red. I already said Richard, WT, David, John, Todd, RNELNJ44, GIU, Oscar, that boy Greg, Juan, Todd. What's up, everyone, and everybody in the TikTok, too. All right, so last 2 days have caught some nice trades. So actually yesterday I ended up taking 2 trades. The first one was a very small loser. I did try that SPY reject at, what was it, 535, something like that. Where was it? Maybe it's 525. Yeah, my 525 reject. So I tried a very small size when we got up to there because we had news, and then it broke above it. I lost like 15%. So very small size, lost 15%, not a big deal. The main trade yesterday that I actually had, a decent size in, and I want to talk about this trade overall. So I had a decent size, right? But as we kept dipping down, we ended up getting, first off, we got short right here, took some profits off of that, and then added the remainder of the position as we got up into the supply, right? Plus we had 5,300 psychological resistance on SPX at that area as well. So as we were trading at that supply zone, we kept dipping down and then getting bought back up. That's typically not what I like to see at my reject area. So I ended up cutting about half of my position right under break even just to mitigate risk. Because if we broke above this level right here and broke above 5,300 on SPX, I had a feeling it was going to be a really large move and those contracts would have gotten screwed. So ended up cutting about half of my position, but I held the remainder and was able to capture a nice move down. So overall, ended the day green yesterday. Not like a huge green day, but still, I'll take it. So again, a very small loss here. Cut about half my position at right under break even, and then was able to capture this nice move down on my puts. So that was my day yesterday. But now, as far as today, let's hop into the levels. How'd you guys do yesterday, though? Make money, lose money, take no trades, as always. Let me know in the chat. Let's see, delete that, delete this, and delete this. Perfect. We do have a 1 hour squeeze. What's up? Good morning. And you got the book last night. Let's go. All right. So we do have a 1 hour squeeze. I believe we have news. Or no. We have no news today. No market news. Good. All right. So I will look for calls if price gets above pre-market highs. 533.15. I'll look for the continuation up. My main reject for the week, 536.9 to 537. So we're about $7 away right now. If we get up there, I will gladly take shorts, right? Plus we also have this previous support, turn resistance right there. So I'm willing to watch that. Start on the higher time frames. Daily kind of looks like a daily bear flag, right? But we'll wait and see. Also, this lines up right at that daily gap fill or gap entry. So would really like to see a reject there. As far as bounces, don't see any demand. Possibly one here on the 4 hour. Let's actually take a look at ES because that will tell us if it is. No. So no demand there. Our supply zone isn't until way up there. So really, nothing on SPY as far as bounces right now. We can delete this. Try 2 hour. Actually, no. We need to do ES first. There we go. Okay. Now we have a demand zone right here. So delete all this. All right. So if we get up there, let's look for a reject 54.17. Here's our demand zone. And this is a 2 hour. What's up? Good morning. Awesome. Real quick, make sure everybody hits that like button in the YouTube live stream as well. Everybody in TikTok, make sure you guys are following. I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So you cannot go wrong if you are following. Plus, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Over 1,100 videos teaching you on how to trade for completely free. So if you guys want to check out the YouTube channel, again, Brandon Trades. The link is in my bio. All right, so for ES, break above 53.72. Look for that push into 54.17. We'll look for the reject there. Bounce 52.26 to 52.03. Only issue is it's pretty far away. Nothing on the 4 hour that I care about. Try 1 hour. Nothing on the 1 hour besides that 1 hour squeeze with the 21 EMA. So let's see if we hold that structure. Very, very small 45-minute demand zone here. Very small. Let's actually see what happens. Ideally, that 2 hour zone, but we'll see. Well, all right. And then actually 30-minute zone. So we got a lot of demand down here. A lot of demand. It's pouring down rain outside. Cool. 45. Perfect. All right, so now let's transfer this over to SPY levels. All right, here is the 30-minute. Good morning, good morning. On an insane losing streak. What's happening? What are you trading? Have you been over trading? Have you not been following risk management? All right, let's see. 45-minute. Can't see the 45-minute on SPY. That's okay. And we have the 2 hour, which we can see right here. Good thing I went to get my coffee when I did. Sheesh. It's been raining like nonstop here these last few days. So, I mean, I like this entire area down here. We're just kind of far away from it. I doubt we get down there. If we did, though, I mean, it might come into play next week. If we somehow get down there, I'm interested. All right. So that's everything SPY. Yes, let's check SPX real quick. 5,300, 5,400 maybe? Just because we have that gap fill. So, I don't know. I'd prefer the gap fill if I'm going to reject SPX. All right, perfect. All right. That's everything as far as the S&Ps. Like right over the Maryland line, yeah. NQ. I'm only here for 6 more days, though. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, NQ. Destroyed supply. Destroyed the fib. Take that off. Main reject is going to be all the way up there. 18813. 2 hour. Kind of got our 2 hour demand down there. So again, if we break above 18651, look for the continuation at 18813. What's up, Todd? Again, I highly doubt that we get down here. But never say never, you know? All right, there's our 2 hour zone. Again, watch that 1 hour squeeze, see what we do. Got our small 45-minute zone inside of that 1 hour. Starts right at the beginning of that. 30 minutes, same thing, starts right at the beginning of that. And then honestly, we actually have another 30-minute zone right here, but I feel like that wick is too long. So if I were to watch this, I would want to watch just the beginning of the zone and see. So we'll just go ahead and mark that. 30. Perfect. All right. So see what happens at this demand. Ideally, this demand down here has a lot more confluence. We could potentially bounce this one. Again, it really depends on the price action. So see what happens there. Get above 18651. Look for the continuation into my main reject, 18813 on NQ. Head on over to QQQ. All righty. Delete all this. Also, I don't know if anybody's trying to run up some Call of Duty later, but your boy be nasty at it. I haven't played real Call of Duty on a console in like years. I'm smoking mofos. So, anybody wants to play, you let me know. My house is pretty much empty right now, besides my basement and my office. So if anybody wants to play, you guys let me know. 2 hour. Maybe I can get Grizzly on too. 2 hour. Yeah, it's just so far away. I doubt. Like, really doubt that we get down there. Thank you for the subscribe, Alberto. Again, everybody, real quick, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. Go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys free watch lists, plus 1,100 videos on my YouTube channel. Teach you guys on how to trade for completely free. So if you guys want to learn how to trade for free, check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, 86.7K, 1,100 videos. Dropped a fire video last night as well. So again, make sure you guys check it out. Brandon Trades, link is in my bio. All right. Let's see, we got our demand down here. Then the 45-minute. Starts at that 2 hour zone. And then here is the one that we could potentially hit today. Alrighty. So that is everything as far as ES, NQ, SPY, QQQ, SPX. Let's run through some individuals, see what we like, what we don't like. And we'll go from there. Hey, I appreciate it, Odyssey. So, I mean, I still like this app, but we need to get above and hold like this 213. But we set this pre-market high, 214.25. So now we need to break above that if we want that gap fill. So, again, nothing really that I'm too interested in on Apple until we get above there. AMD. Don't really care about. Amazon. Don't care about until we get in the gap fill that could potentially come into play next week. IWM, don't care about. Meta. Meta was actually pretty strong yesterday. I think maybe like just a side watch on Meta. So let's type that up real quick. I feel like the individuals are more so side watches. All right, so we got Meta, Microsoft, don't care about. Nvidia, don't care about. Qualcomm, don't care about. Looked at QQQ, SPX, SPY, and Tesla. And Tesla don't really care about. Cool. So, the only individual that I care about today, Meta. We can look at Palantir, though. I think I saw something that Palantir was going higher. Yeah. Which actually, I'll tell you what, if we don't hit this 28.77 in the pre-market, I'm willing to try it. A day trade on Palantir, 29 calls. So as long as we do not hit that 1 hour 21 EMA, that's a setup that I like. We're getting very close though. Cool. What time is it? 8:20. So I guess I'll take a look at some of the individuals that you guys want before I give you guys a watch list for the day. Again, we don't have any news at 8:30. So it might be a little quicker of a live stream today. So just type up what you want me to look at and then we'll go from there. What y'all got for me? SMCI. All right, let's see SMCI. We looked at NVIDIA, nothing that I like there. Again, SMCI, we are watching this monthly 21 EMA. Actually, we hit it. So remember, this is the first time we've touched it in, what, 2 years? Over 2 years. First time we hit it. And it was the reaction we got. Got a $30 rally off of it. So if you want to try equity, you can try it with a stop right below here. I'd prefer to wait until the end of the month to see how it closes. And then ideally, my area, 357 to 317 is where I would personally like to try some longs on SMCI. But again, this could be a huge key level. Remember that 21 EMA does not play. Mara. Again, we looked at Apple. I really only care about the gap fill. It's just kind of far away now. I tried it the last couple of days and it's failed. I'd say watch the monthly. You had that monthly squeeze. Broke above that monthly 21. We're reclaiming it now. Delete these. But yeah, I would watch that monthly time frame. That looks better than anything else. Daily looks ugly. Weekly looks ugly. The monthly gives us the best picture of Mara. How do you start? First, hit that follow button. And then second, check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Again, I teach everything over there. Boeing, same thing. Didn't really see anything I cared about. Just overall, every time frame is not giving a clear picture. The only thing I really watch is a 159.7 bounce. Or if you're looking for a reject, $178.80 at 183. 183.10. Couple more stocks, and then I will give you guys a watch list for the day. THC. I mean, as far as a setup that I would trade, I don't see one, but I would just look for a continuation higher. I mean, that's really all you can do. It's super strong. So if we get above 155, we're more than likely going to get that continuation. But as far as like an entry I would be looking for, really, we're not trading near anything. Can't talk today for some reason. No, I just watched my levels and look for confirming price action. We got up into that reject level. I tried a very, very small size. And as soon as it broke above it, boom, I was out. Again, I want to look for areas where price is going to bounce or reject, and then look for confirming price action. My stop loss is right on the opposite side. So the risk is always very small. And then if we do get a pullback and offers an uptrend entry, then of course I'll take it. But we didn't even like get a pullback entry that I was looking for after that. And then we just went straight up into my supply zone. So pullback right there. Again, my reject was 525 right here. Never offered any pullback until we got up into my supply zone. Had it pulled back, of course, I would have looked, like if we pulled back to here, I would have looked for an uptrend entry to play it into my supply zone. Absolutely. But because we didn't get that, just had to watch the supply. I don't like chasing uptrends. I personally don't really like China stocks. They've screwed me quite a bit. So me and China, we are not friends. Not friends with China. No, no, no. All right, let's take a look at one more, and then I'll give you guys a watch list for today. I mean, I typically look for the first reaction, but it also really depends on just overall how we react to the level. Because another thing that could happen in supply or demand is we double top or double bottom. I've seen that a lot. So that second time we come up, it might give the reaction. But the main thing is waiting to see if we actually get the reaction that we're looking for. Let's do Netflix. That's a very ugly daily chart. I mean, I'd probably watch this. We're breaking above it. Or we tried to break above it. I'd see if we can hold. If we can hold above that 4-hour trend line, then that could open the door higher. Break above this high right here, 633, 634. Look for the continuation. But again, Netflix isn't really, this isn't a setup I would really trade. Overall, every time frame looks kind of ugly. So that's all I would look for on Netflix. Let's get these get this watch list typed up. Alrighty. We like Meta and Palantir today. All right. Reject 537, is that what that is? 536.9. Perfect. And bounce demand again. I highly doubt that we get down here, but I'll watch it just in case. 519.24 to 516.35. All right, there's SPY, QQQ. Of 451.55 for calls. Reject 455.65. Bounce. 30-man demand at 441.10. Palantir. We're getting really close. So bounce 1 hour 21 EMA. Then side watch. Cool. That's a watch list. I say, let's get 100 likes in this YouTube live stream. We got 140 people in here, 77 likes. I think you guys can do it. There's no news today. None at all. So 23 likes. I'll give you guys this watch list. I know y'all can do it. In the meantime, we give it to YouTube channel members. Watch list smacked yesterday. And the day before, actually. Let's see. YouTube channel members, you guys have the watch list. Boom. Let me double check with the news because I don't see anything on my side. If it is, it's something very minor. Yeah, rig count from Baker Hughes. Literally, like, not important at all. Cool. What's up, Kevin? I mean, typically the days that we don't have news, it tends to be pretty slow. But, you know, every day is different in the market. Today could be the day that we just explode based off of no news. There we go. 100 likes. Look at that. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. Alrighty. SPY. QQQ. Everybody that's watching on TikTok, if you guys want this watch list, come tap into the YouTube. Posting it right now. Again, my YouTube link is in the bio, or just head on over to YouTube, type in Brandon Trades, I'll pop right up. Give everybody a couple minutes to write that down, screenshot it, whatever you want to do. But there's SPY, QQQ, and Palantir. I need to wake up. This coffee's not doing its job. Market's pulling. But yeah, any other questions you guys got? Or is everybody good? Got you, Todd. Got you. Awesome. Well, perfect. All right. let's run it up today. Let's crush it. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 45 minutes. Other than that, again, make sure you guys are subscribed, bell notifications on, check out yesterday's video, all that good stuff. I'll talk to everybody early next week. And I will say, probably no live. I'm going to have to be on Instagram because they're taking my stuff on Tuesday. I won't have it on Wednesday. I leave on Thursday. And then I won't be in Colorado until Sunday. And then I don't know when my stuff is getting there. So probably no morning live streams for a little bit. But I will be on Instagram live. For sure, 100%. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, let's run it up. Let's make some money. And I will talk to everybody in Team Bull. Peace.